Hi, welcome back to OD YouTube channel. Today I have here a small package from Kaweco which has the new premium nibs, and that's what we are going to see today. So today for this unboxing I will use this knife because it has a nice blade to open this. I have to thank Kaweco for sending me these premium nibs that I will try and test and tell you what I think about them, because they are a new addition. They wanted to create a kind of a writing experience for their steel nibs with a premium price, for us to have a kind of the same feel that we have with a gold nib without spending the amount of money a gold nib costs. So I am quite interested in this, and I am one of those people that say that never had a problem with regular Kaweco nibs, so steel nibs, so maybe to me it's not a problem. So here I have Kaweco, nice, with a black sticker, and we have a couple of boxes inside. Let's rip these. Well, lots of stuff here. I'm not complaining, of course. So what do I have here? I have this nice postcard which is like a caricature of all Kaweco, the founders of Kaweco, the new owner, the German Shepherd dog, the Heidelberg town where they used to be, the Nuremberg where they are now. So I think this is really nice. I think this really represents them well. I have here a box with a pen. I have here, I think it's with a pen. I was not expecting a pen. I have another sticker, one of those big ones. And let me put this away. I have here one box with a premium nib. And this one is the silver colored, the regular one. And this is a nib with the other one, the gold colored one. And okay, I saw what they sent me because I was not expecting, but I wanted one day to make a proper review of a Kaweco Liliput made of steel, because I have one made of copper that I got from Kaweco, and then one day I got a wave one from a store here in Lisbon that was selling a used one. So this one will be reviewed soon. So, but this is not the focus of this video. I really like the weight of the steel. This is very, very nice, and this needs to be compared with the Supra that I don't have here right now with me. And let's check the nibs. So the nibs come in two different presentations. They come with this very nice looking vintage-like packaging, and we have two sleeves, and they both come in the regular tins for the pens. Okay, but they have a different presentation, of course, to keep the nib there straight, and that makes sense. So let me show you the nib. I'll take this out because it may be too reflective and may cause some problems while focusing, and I'm hitting the camera. So we have here a medium nib with these converging lines that go to the center where the logo of Kaweco is. So this is really a little different from the regular nibs. Let me show you. Now this Liliput will be useful right now to show you how the nib is. This is also a medium one, so I may use this one for comparison purposes. Let me put it. Okay, get straight there. So let me bring them closer. I would say that the nibs will be, I need to hold it like this. I would say the nibs will be very comparable in shape, the same feed, and maybe there is some difference to the point, and I think it may be a little different there, but I cannot be sure just by watching. It doesn't make that much sense just to show the pen like this. I will need to really ink a pen with them and test them to see if they are really a very different and nicer experience. And here I have a medium nib, also a premium nib, made of gold color. So they have those converging lines to the center where is the logo of Kaweco, and below they say premium, and then they have M for medium. And let me check something, because the gold one, the gold colored one, seems to be a little thicker at the end, but maybe it's just a matter of the reflection and the difference of the colors. So this is what I got from Kaweco, these premium nibs. And these premium nibs will cost around 35 euros, so they are more expensive than regular spare nibs that you can get. These nibs will fit easily on the nibs of for example, the Liliput. You just need to do this. You unscrew the regular nib that's here. It works on the Liliput. It works on other pens that have the same kind of screw fit system, and I'm talking about Liliput again, the Art Sport, the older Lux, Sport Lux. Also, I'm talking about the AL Sport, the Steel Sport, the Sterling Sport, the Brass, all the ALs, and so you have quite the Student. You have quite a variety, the Dia also, sorry. You have quite a variety of pens where you can use this. So you just unscrew the nib, you take this away. If you want to protect it, you put it here, again on the box. And then you'll have this one, you'll hold it. You'll put it right here, like this, and then you have the new nib fitted inside. So this is what I'm going to test. I will test the pen, the pen, one pen with this nib, and I'll try to compare it with a medium nib made of steel. I also have medium nibs, at least one medium nib made of gold, but I don't think it is directly comparable, because the medium nib made of gold that I have is from the Kaweco Art Sport Generation 1, which is older, and it is a little different in shape, and maybe also a little different in the way it is made. So I hope you enjoy this video. I have to thank Kaweco a lot for more exciting stuff to review. Let me put here just for you to check what I got. Let me take this out. So today I got, for review purposes, and Kaweco is amazing because this collaboration, it's not only getting free stuff, it's really interesting to be able to review a brand that I have the foot of my tripod here, sorry about that. It's really amazing to have a brand that I like this much and to be able to show you the products because they sent them to me. It's very, very nice. So again, what did I get? Let me take this out again. I just want to show you. Let me put the correct nib here, sorry, but at least you'll know now how to screw and unscrew the nib of a Kaweco pen. So what I got was a Kaweco Liliput made of steel, which is very interesting. I'll make comparisons with the Supra, and the new steel premium nib with regular color, they call it plain, and the new premium nib with gold color. So I have both here. I will make videos about them. I will try to compare gold with steel and with these premium nibs and try to tell you something useful about it. They won't stay on place, but let's forget about that. I really love, I have to say this once again, I really love the way that Kaweco uses their vintage heritage to create their products, even their packaging, because they have their logo, their cursive logo that is very old. They have pens that go for vintage models like the Liliput, which was a vintage model by Kaweco, and they go also for the packaging that is inspired on the packaging of some pens. I'm not sure from when, maybe from the 60s or 70s, and I think this is really amazing. I really like that they do this kind of stuff. So once again, thank you so much, Kaweco, for sending me these for review. I will review them extensively. I will talk to you about them and I will tell you what I think and if I think you should pay more for these special nibs or if it doesn't make any difference. And this is it. I'm happy. When I receive Kaweco packages, I'm always happy. So this is all I had to show you today. I hope you enjoyed. Again, thank you so much, Kaweco, for this partnership where I can show you the pens of this brand that I really love. By the way, I will make one day a video just explaining why I like Kaweco so much, and I think that makes sense to explain why I like this brand. And this is it. I'm just rambling around and I want to ink up the Lilliput and maybe put already the new nib inside and start playing with this. So thank you once again. Thank you all the Kaweco crazy people. I will try to keep the Kaweco Madness website updated. It's now not at all well updated. I will try to work on that and we will meet again here soon for some more videos. So thank you so much for being there and we'll meet again later. Bye.